we're talking growth, we're typically talking top line revenue, right? It's gaining share within our space. However, when we're talking internally, we've got to be absolutely buttoned up on everything we do here to make sure that we can continue to drive that profitability that the investors expect.
In the old days, it was, as things went along, more and more your process was the care and feeding of the system, not the care and feeding of the business. And I think Epicor has helped us shift that. We reevaluated our process in light of the software coming out of the box. And it helped us kind of put a mirror against what we were doing. And instead of saying, well, we need to customize this software to do everything we were doing, Jack and I looked at it like, no, let's use this opportunity and just question what we're doing, because a lot of what we're doing we might just be doing because we've always done it that way. Well, let's challenge that, because if this is coming off the shelf, a lot of people are using this to, to run their businesses. And let's use that to see if there are areas where we may be not doing best practices.
The tipping point for us choosing Epicor over some of the other products we looked at really came down to the ease of use and its product configurator. It's the main reason we chose Epicor. Epicor's product configurator was easy to set up, real easy to use, easy to modify. I haven't found another product that I found that was better. It's nice for me to have a partnership with an ERP system, with a company that is on the leading edge of the technology. Epicor has already got the tools that we want to pull in the future, so it's nice to have you ahead of where we want to be.